Hello, hello, hello.
Hello everybody.
Today we decided to do our video a little bit different and take you out in nature because we realized that so many people don't take advantage of the beauty that's out there. This is something that gives us so much energy, right?
Right, spending time in nature is fantastic. It brings you in a much better mental state, and all the challenges, all the curveballs that life throws at us will be dealt in a completely different way more effectively and way more productively.
So we hope to inspire you to go out there and enjoy this beautiful world. It cannot be always work, work, work. And I know you have a long to-do list. We all do. But sometimes it's really, really important to think about how to be, which means being relaxed, being a little bit laid back, and just enjoy the moment.
Absolutely. We hope you enjoy our video today, and we will definitely see you next week again. Until then, be happy, be healthy, and be at your best.